Good morning, dear students. My name is Bharat Bhushan, PGT English, Kendriya Vidyalaya, Mathura Refinery Nagar, Mathura. Today, I'll try to make you understand the concept of letter of enquiry. Let's begin. Before we learn a letter of inquiry, let's understand the difference between inquire and enquire. Inquire, which is spelt with I, traditionally meant to formally investigate, while the word enquire, spelt with E, means to ask. Though in modern times, especially in United States, they prefer the spelling with I. They use INQUIRE instead of ENQUIRE in the meaning of to ask. These days, they are almost considered synonymous, inquire or enquire. What is enquiry letter? An enquiry letter is a formal letter written to enquire and get details regarding something that a person is interested in. Now let's understand what are these situations in life where we need to make an enquiry. To seek detailed information about a course, diploma, degree, or job vacancy. To inquire about train bookings, bus bookings, flight bookings, hotel bookings, etc. We also need to make an inquiry about timings or schedule of bus, train, flight, etc. Apart from this, we also need to inquire about prices, catalogs, discount, terms and conditions of business, etc. We also need to inquire about procedures like the procedure to renew a license or to renew a membership like the library membership. We'll understand the concept of an inquiry letter better through this example. A sample letter for you written by Grant Public School, Gurugram, Haryana. So you can see, first of all, we have written the sender's address, Grant Public School, Gurugram, Haryana. After that, we have written the date, 29th April 2020. After that, we have written the receiver's address. After that, we have written subject, enquiring about the charges and facilities. After that, salutation, sir or madam. In the first paragraph, Grant Public School has introduced itself and has given some input to the firm. You can see Grant Public School, Gurugram, a reputed public school, is planning a tour to Fatehpur Sikri, the abandoned capital of Akbar the Great. We are a group of 270 students, 7 teachers and 4 sub-staff. We are planning to leave Gurugram for Fatehpur Sikri early in the morning of 5th May 2020 and plan to return on 6th May 2020 in the evening. Grant Public School Agra in the first paragraph has given important input to the firm like the number of people who are going on the trip and the dates. In the second paragraph, the school or the writer of the letter is seeking some details from the form. You can see them. First detail is, how will you accommodate 270 students? They want to know the type of accommodation which will be provided by the firm. They also are interested to know number of rooms and their total charges. Then arrangement of breakfast, lunch and dinner and the charges per head. Arrangement of 6 air-conditioned luxury buses and the charges for each bus. They also want to know about the transportation. Finally, any other information or relevant details regarding the tour. In this second paragraph, the school, Grant Public School, has given proper details about the arrangement. They want to know the details and they have given all the details. In the third paragraph, a single line paragraph, they have written, looking forward to hearing from you soon. This is called ending or conclusion. After that, you can see complimentary clause, yours faithfully. Then the name of the writer, Naveen Gulati, and the designation, tour in charge. You can see here. So, what have we come to know from this sample letter is that the format of a letter of inquiry is that of a formal letter. Sender's address, then we have written phone number, an email also can be written, date, receiver's address, subject of the letter, salutation, body, complimentary closing, and sender's name, signature and designation. That is the format. Then we have the body. You can see the 3 paragraphs how to write in an inquiry letter. In paragraph 1, we introduce ourselves and specify the purpose of writing the letter. In second paragraph, we write details of the inquiry. And in the third paragraph, we conclude or end our letter. You can see another example here. 98B Modern Avenue, Shimla is the sender's address. 20th April 2020 is the date. Then the receiver's address, the director, National Institute of Fashion Technology, Mandi, Himachal Pradesh. Then subject, seeking details of degree course in fashion technology. Then salutation, sir or madam. Then in the first paragraph, the writer of the letter, Madhav Bist, introduces himself. I am Madhav Bist. I have recently passed class 12 with 65% marks. I am very keen to pursue a degree course in fashion technology from your premier institute. I shall feel immensely obliged if you could please let me know about the following. These are the details: admission procedure, eligibility criteria, fee structure, mode of payment, check, NEFT, RTGS, etc. Placement prospects, which means opportunities for employment after doing the course. Scholarship for BPL, below poverty line candidates. Then in the third paragraph, kindly send these details at my email ID bistmadhav12@gmail.com or at my postal address. A self-addressed stamped envelope is enclosed for your convenience. Waiting for prompt reply. After that we have complimentary close. Yours faithfully. Name of the writer of the letter, Madhav Best. You can see here. Now we'll discuss different ways of writing subject. First, you can write seeking detailed information about, it can be any subject. Here it is, library membership renewal procedure. Enquiring about the availability of bus, train, air tickets. Or you can write to enquire about tour packages to Haridwar from Delhi, or to seek details of CCTV products. These are 4 different methods of writing subject. Then students, here we have some useful sentences and phrases to write letters of inquiry. In introductory paragraph, you can write, I'm keen to pursue a degree or diploma course. I'm keenly interested in doing a degree or diploma course. We are a leading firm based in Noida. Or you can write, we are a leading educational institute from Mathura. Then in the second paragraph, that is details paragraph, you can also write sentences instead of bullets. Could you please send the following information? I would also like to know the eligibility criteria or admission procedure or fee structure. We would be grateful if you could inform me the employment opportunities. Also let me know about any scheme for meritorious students. I would also be interested in knowing the mode of payment. You can use these phrases like this. That's it.